Hi everyone, hi my babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about my top 10 skincare products that are available in India, Indian skincare products that actually work. So all of the products that I have over here are manufactured in India except one. So yes, without any further ado, let's start with the video. I have amazing products to share with you all. Like मेरे पास यहाँ पे 10 ऐसे products हैं which have worked wonders for me. Not sponsored by any brand, so you can definitely watch today's video. And कुछ ऐसे skincare gems हैं मेरे पास कि आप किसी भी skin type वाले क्यों ना हो, that is definitely something that you should try. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. And also we are going to talk about the ingredients today a little bit, and let me know if you want me to talk about the ingredients more, because our skincare audience wants me to talk about the ingredient list. So definitely we are going to dive into it as well. So without any further ado, let's start with the video and see how it works and what all are the 10 products that I absolutely love. Before we go ahead, please make sure कि आप मेरे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिए. नीचे रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन को प्रेस करके उसके बगल वाला बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करिए. Next month, starting from the 1st of September, my September series is starting up, and there would be 19 videos back to back and around 8 to 10 giveaways that I'm going to do. So if you do not want to miss that out, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So starting off with the first product, जो कि मेरे OG PG फैन जो मेरे videos हमेशा देखते हैं, they would know, is this Minimalist AHA 25%, PHA 5% and BHA 2% chemical peeling solution. So guys, ये जो है ना, the ingredient list is very very transparent. Minimalist is a brand. They have they have 6 clean beauty promises, that there are no fragrance, no silicones, no parabens, no essential oils, no dyes and no sulfates. Talking about the MRP of this product, it's 699 rupees and it has 30 ml. It's a facial peel. Now इसकी ingredient list की बात करें तो first ingredient is aloe vera juice. The base is aloe vera juice, sorted. Then we have glycolic acid, which is 25% AHA. So glycolic acid is an AHA. And then we have lactic acid, and lactic acid is also an AHA. Propylene glycol, then mandelic acid, which is again an AHA. Now I'm referring to my notes because मैं इतने सारे acids का नाम है उसका वो क्या है I cannot remember, but for you have researched a bit, so let's talk about it. Acid, glycolic acid is very well known to peel off your skin, gently peel off your top layer of the skin, and help you get rid of your blemishes and dark spots. Talking about lactic acid, so lactic acid is an ingredient which can make your skin thick and firm. As a result, the skin surface looks smoother and the appearance of fine lines is much lesser. Now mandelic acid that this product has is also an AHA. It has salicylic acid, which is a BHA. Now salicylic acid is very well known for working on your acne, and then salicylic acid is very good for whiteheads, blackheads. So yeah, if you have acne prone skin, doctors often suggest कि आप जाके salicylic acid products use करो. So I dig deep into the product, and मुझे ऐसा कोई भी ingredient इसमें नहीं दिखा which can be harmful for your skin. So everything looks nice. This product I've used a couple of times. It's a chemical peel. आपको इसको लगाना होता है once a week initially. If you're very much comfortable after using it for a while, you can apply two days a week. If you're a beginner, do not go above 1 day a week because it's a strong and a potent formula. Now आप इसको apply करते हो तो आप अपने eyes के around apply नहीं करोगे. I applied it yesterday and you can see how my skin is glowing. This is one magical chemical peel that I would recommend all of you guys out there. But अगर आपको एक milder version चाहिए, you can go for the Dottin की chemical peel. But this is a product I highly recommend. Now मैंने सारे products का link जो है description box में डाल दिया है. Amazon is having a big huge sale, so definitely go ahead and purchase everything from there if you want to purchase any of these products. सारे products का link description box में है, plus है my haul store का link जहाँ पे आप एक click करोगे तो आपको सारे products एक साथ दिख जाएंगे. So you do not need to separately click on all the links. So it's your choice however you want to go. But yes, let's move on to the second product I used and I absolutely loved. The second product is this Plum Hello Aloe Gentle Cleansing Lotion. Now this product I have been using for past couple of days. 200 ml का packaging है and इसका जो price है that's 390. ये मैंने Amazon से ही purchase किया था. Now Plum का भी बहुत अच्छी बात है, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, they do not test on animals. Now talking about the ingredient list, which is the most important thing, they have aqua, aloe vera leaf juice as the first two ingredients. Good. then cetyl alcohol, glycerine. Now this is not a kind of alcohol which will dry up your skin, so do not worry on that. So glycerine is the next ingredient, and glycerine is an amazing humectant for your skin. It helps your skin retain the moisture, and again glycerine is a very good ingredient. We'll not go much into the depth. हम last के ingredients पे बहुत ज़्यादा focus नहीं करेंगे. They have fragrance. The fragrance is really mild, does not bother me at all, and I would say कि इसका जो first few ingredients है, they are very good ingredients for your skin, and it's a very good cleansing lotion. Now आपने अगर आपको daily basis पर अपने skin को cleanse करना है, you can use this. It's very mild, but अगर आपने heavy duty बिल्कुल मतलब ऐसे full face of makeup कर रखा है which is waterproof, that will not go away with this. But if you're looking for some cleansing lotion for daily basis, this is the cleansing lotion you can go ahead and try. Amazing cleansing lotion. The texture of this is really nice. I really like it. I really like applying it, massaging it all over my face, and then cleansing my skin. So this is the next product. I highly recommend you guys and go ahead and try this. Moving on to the third product that I highly recommend you guys to go ahead and try. No, this is not sponsored by Minimalist, but I really like the product. So this is the third product, and this is the Minimalist Alpha Arbutin 2% and Hyaluronic Acid 1% serum. Now I have used this serum a lot, and I think barely, if I could show you guys, the bottle is black, otherwise I could have shown you guys. It is like अब ये इतना नीचे बचा है बस. I've been using this serum for more than 3 months now, and I would definitely say that this is a very nice and a potent serum. Now what Arbutin does is, Arbutin आपके स्किन को ब्राइटन अप करने में हेल्प करता है. It reduces dark spots and even out skin tone. Hyaluronic acid improves water retention capacity. Hyaluronic acid जो आप यूज करते हो तो it attracts environment का जो भी moisture है to your skin. So overall the composition of this product is really nice. A very potent serum जिसके भी face में dark spots हैं, uneven skin tone है, if you just want to brighten up your complexion, you can just use this for a while. Give it a month or two and you will definitely see results. Moving on to the fourth product that I would recommend you guys is from Plum. This is a Plum Mandarin and Vitamin C 15% serum. Now इसका जो detailed review है, I have done it on my channel. I have reviewed it in one of my vlogs. That was a paid partnership with Plum, but मैंने उसके बाद इसको यूज करना बंद नहीं किया because I absolutely love the product. मैं जो सच में जिनसे प्यार करती हूँ मैं वही आपको recommend करती हूँ. Otherwise जो बाकी collaborations होते हैं I turn them down because मेरे पास अपने पसंदीदा brands के collaborations आते हैं जो products मुझे सच में अच्छे लगते हैं. Now talking about this product, this has 15% vitamin C derived from mandarin, and again the Plum के बारे में मैंने आपको बता ही दिया. They're a very clean skincare brand, and the ingredient list starts with they have not mentioned it in the bottle. That was there in the full जो उसका बाहर का डब्बा था. So basically it has no synthetic fragrance, essentials oils or anything. So when I read everything about this product does very good with my skin. आपको बस फेस वॉश करना है, स्क्रब मास्क जिस दिन नहीं लगा रहे हो टोनर लगाओ, and then apply your serum. 2-4 बूंद लगा लो. It's a very potent vitamin C serum. It's a 30 ml bottle. I have linked down the 20 ml bottle in the description box below. As soon as you apply it on your face, I had shown that in my last video as well, and showing this in this one also. I have been using this in my daytime skincare routine along with the Mamaearth one, the 10% essence serum, but this one is more potent. That's the reason I'm talking about this one in this video. That is 10%. That is very good for someone who's just trying to venture out into the world of vitamin C. But this is a very nice, very nice serum. I highly recommend you guys to go ahead and try it. If you have uneven skin tone, sun damage, your skin is less like looking lifeless, or you having dark spots, or if you are experiencing fine lines in aging, so you can use it. You could definitely see some beautiful benefits out of it. Next up जो मेरा पांचवा product है, which is the Minimalist Sebicalm Oat Moisturizer. Now this moisturizer, I have been using it for quite 4 to 5 months now, and then I'm recommending this product to you guys. Now the Minimalist का Sebicalm Moisturizer है, it's for skin soothing and light moisturization. It's good for all skin types. Now talking about this moisturizer, it's very cheap but very good moisturizer. Moisturizer का काम है इसका आपकी स्किन को moisturize करना, और ये आपकी स्किन को बहुत अच्छे से moisturize करता है. आप देख सकते हो, I've almost finished the tub up, and I have already ordered a fresh piece of this from Amazon as the sale is running. So you can just apply this moisturizer on your skin. I had talked about it in one of my videos कि इसका problem यह है कि when you try to blend it out, initially ये थोड़ा ऐसे रहता है, देन विद इन अ कपल ऑफ सेकेंड्स आराम से आप इसको दोबारा ब्लेंड कर सकते हो एंड इट जस्ट disappears and just blends in your skin like magic. Very nice. So guys, I'm extremely sorry for the poor quality of video now. The quality is not as good पहले जैसे था. मेरा camera battery died. I don't know how. I'm extremely sorry for that. But please bear with me. So this is a very nice moisturizer and इसका जो है, if I talk about the active source, it's Epicam. The best part of minimalist products is that they mention that where their products are derived from or their actives are derived for, which I really like. Now इसका first ingredient is aqua water, then Avena sativa, which is oat. Then that's good. If it's an oat moisturizer, it should have oats first. So I really like this point that they have included it in the top of the ingredient list. That means कि इसमें काफी ज़्यादा अच्छे से है. Squalene, which is the oil, that is very good for your skin. Then glycerine, humectant, and then we have the rest of the ingredients. We will not dig dive बहुत ज़्यादा, but it also has glycerine. So yeah, and that's it. We're on the sixth product, which is again from Minimalist. Really sorry, so many Minimalist products, but they're really good for the price. I got it off a couple of weeks back from Amazon, and this is the Minimalist Transparent Skincare PHA 3+ Biotic Toner. It's for pore tightening and skin rebalancing. I don't know about skin rebalancing, but pore tightening instantly when you apply this toner after your face wash. आपको फील होगा कि आपके पोर्स जो है टाइटन अप हो रहे हैं, आपका स्किन बिल्कुल फर्म लग रहा है एकदम. आपको ऐसे फील होगा कि आपका स्किन टाइट एंड फर्म लग रहा है एंड कोई भी तरह की जलने की सेंसेशन. इट डज नॉट हैव अल्कोहल, सो डू नॉट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. नाउ द PHA source is from Switzerland. They have mentioned it very, very clearly. Now the first ingredient is, this is aqua, then they have gluconolactone, niacinamide, and then they have butylene glycol, then other things, a lot of things. Now to be very honest, I can understand a few terms. I cannot understand all of them since I'm not a someone who's studied about ingredients, or I'm not someone who's a skincare formulator, but I do my research. I read on Google about ingredients. So can you. Whenever you're buying a product, आप उसके बारे में Google में पढ़ सकते हो. Now it's a very hands-on experience के बारे में बोलूँ तो it's a very nice toner. The price of it is $3.99, but you will get it for discount in Amazon right now. So go ahead and check it out. It's a very good toner. Moving on to the next product that is a new purchase I did from Amazon. I've used it in the past. 2 bottles मैंने finish किया. Third time I've got it. It's the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Body Coffee Scrub. ये नॉर्मल टू ऑयली स्किन के लिए इट्स अ बॉडी स्क्रब. मैंने लाइफ में बहुत सारे बॉडी स्क्रब्स यूज किए, बट इससे बेटर कोई बॉडी स्क्रब यूज नहीं किया है. इसका बॉडी बटर इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. देयर कॉफी फेस रेंज आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट सो मच. Their tea tree range, I liked it. It was very nice, hydrating range. But this coffee scrub, if I have to recommend you one product from whole M Caffeine range, this is the product I would highly recommend. It's the best coffee scrub I have ever used. इसको लगाते ही आपकी skin, when you're taking bath, you apply it to your body, skin इतनी soft हो जाती है, and you just feel like आपकी skin का बिल्कुल texture ही change हो गया, and skin feels so soft and smooth. You will see a lot of people talking about it because it is an amazing product. मैंने इसको repurchase किया है. It is completely new. Because I have finished 2 bottles of this and I just wanted to get it again. Now I think 100 या 150 rupees के discount पे है. फिलहाल इसकी MRP 449 है. But I just checked out today. It was for 300 rupees or 349. I don't remember. You can definitely go ahead and check it out. If you want one scrub for your body which is really good, which is really worth it, you can invest in this one and you will not regret it. Moving on to the next product is इसमें 10 में से 2 प्रोडक्ट जो इंडिया के बाहर बने हुए हैं. इट्स अ सिंपल मॉइस्चराइजिंग फेस वॉश. इट्स 100% सोप फ्री. नाउ इट्स रियली सोप फ्री. इट्स अ वेरी माइल्ड एंड जेंटल फेस वॉश. आई यूज्ड इट फॉर सम टाइम नाउ. ये हाफ खत्म भी हो चुका है. जस्ट कि अब थोड़ा सा बाकी है. आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इन मल्टीपल वीडियोज. सो सेंसिटिव स्किन पे एक मैंने वीडियो बनाई थी कि सेंसिटिव स्किन वालों के लिए विदाउट फ्रेग्रेंस वाली स्किन केयर रूटीन. सो उसमें मैंने इसको मेंशन किया था. इट डज नॉट हैव एनी फ्रेग्रेंस एंड एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. नाउ इट इज मेड इज आई थिंक UK. So that's one thing. Now it's price 325 rupees of the mildest face wash I've used. One of those is this. Again, I have one which I'll recommend in my second part of my top 10 skincare favorites. So if you want me to do, I'll do a second part of my next set of 10 products that I absolutely love. Do not forget to check that video out, but only if you guys comment and let me know कि दीदी हमको वो वीडियो चाहिए, तब फिर हम वो वीडियो करेंगे. So this फेस वॉश बहुत अच्छे से इसने मेरे लिए काम किया. मेरी स्किन बहुत जेंटली क्लीन हो जाती है, बट कभी भी ऐसे फील नहीं होता कि बिल्कुल स्किन स्ट्रिप ऑफ हो गई है. सो ये अगला फेस वॉश है जो मैं आपको हाईली रिकमेंड करती हूँ और आपको जरूर ट्राई आउट करना चाहिए. आखिरी जो प्रोडक्ट है वो है मेरा मस्ट बाय, मतलब मेरा फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट इज द Laneige लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क. तो Laneige का जो लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क है, इसको मेरे को यूज करते हुए अराउंड 7 से 8 महीने या फिर साल भर ऑलमोस्ट हो चुका है. या ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल हो चुका है. मैंने लास्ट ईयर सितंबर में खरीदा था. 1 साल चला है ये लिटरली. एंड अगर आपकी लिप्स चैपी है, फटे हुए हैं, जो भी है, और नहीं भी है, जैसे मेरे लिप्स चैपी नहीं है, बट आप इसको लगा के रात को सोओगे ना, आपके लिप्स इतना, हमेशा आपके लिप्स का टेक्सचर बिल्कुल जूसी एंड एकदम सॉफ्ट स्मूथ रहेगा कि मतलब लिटरली मुझे इससे प्यार हो गया. इसका एक अफोर्डेबल वर्जन है प्लम का जो लिप बाम है, बट ये तो भाई यही है एंड आई रियली लव इट. अभी रिसेंटली मैंने अमेजोन से इसका बड़ा वाला टब परचेज किया है. मेरे पास बेरी फ्लेवर था तो मैंने इस बार ग्रेप फ्रूट किया है. मैंने एक्चुअली कॉम्बो किट में इसको परचेज किया था. अब ये बड़ा वाला है. आई हैव यूज्ड इट, आई लव इट, दैट्स द रीजन मैंने बड़ा किया है परचेज. बट आप छोटा वाला कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक ये 499 का है, बट आपको 400 समथिंग रुपीज में भी अवेलेबल है एंड साल भर चल जाता है आराम से. 7-8 महीने तो कहीं नहीं गए. तो डेफिनेटली गो हैड एंड ट्राई इट आउट इफ यू लाइक इट. मेरा तो ग्रेप फ्रूट वाला ये भी मैंने ट्राई करना चालू कर दिया. आई जस्ट लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. So yeah, that is all about the products. What I recommend, what are my top 10 favorite products. Let me know in the comment section below. इसमें से आपको कुछ पसंद है कि नहीं, आपने कुछ ट्राई किया है कि नहीं. And if you like this video, please thumbs up देना. इससे YouTube को पता चलेगा कि ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी. और कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके जरूर बताना कि इस वीडियो के बारे में आपको क्या अच्छा लगा. मैं आपसे अपने अगले वीडियो में मिलती हूँ. सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए अगर आप हमारे प्रीटेम्बर सीरीज को मिस नहीं करना चाहते हैं. आप अपने चैनल पे हम व्लॉग, फैशन, ब्यूटी के साथ पेरेंटिंग के वीडियोस भी कर रहे हैं. सो उसके साथ भी जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करिए. प्रेस द बेल आइकन, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, करके जाना. बाय बाय.